Day 12, learning wheelies on my Surron, and I'm finally starting to improve. I can actually start getting power wheelies now, but I still can't fully control them yet. Compared to day 1, I'm not even close to as scared anymore. One thing that helped a lot was keeping my head up and looking forward. I didn't think it would matter, but it actually made it way easier to stay balanced. I'm also getting more used to the rear brake. It's still not natural, but I'm starting to use it when I need it. The main issue now is I'm not getting the bike far enough back into the balance point. There were a few runs today where I felt closer than ever, but I still need to practice. Day 12 in the books. Let's see what day 13 brings. If you've been following the journey, hit the like button and subscribe, fam. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.